So it's been some time. I need to do a backtesting analysis again, and let's hop right into it. So I changed a little bit how I document my trades. I started doing more on the platforms I use, like FX Replay, and I recently started using TradePath AI. But I will still do the daily analysis here, and then my further analysis, like my entries and stop and everything on the platforms. I will just do it like this because I can add my hashtags or some tags and stuff, and with that I can then just get a clear picture of what I do wrong or right. So yeah, this week is December 5th to December 9th, and let's hop right into it. So February 5th, sorry. So Monday we had SIM services PMI. I will still trade. So on the 4 hour, we respected the 4 hour fair value gap. On one index we moved out of it, on the other one we were just moving out of it slowly to the upside. Then on the 1 hour, we had, this is the 4 hour fair value gap, and here we can see that on one index, on NQ, we were already outside, like clear, but on ES, not that much. So yeah, I just needed more low time frame in confirmation. But just looking at this, I'm more bearish because we also have a 1 hour fair value gap here. And to me, if we manipulate up here and turtle soup this thing here and then get a bearish reaction out of it, it looks more bearish. But yeah. And what did I write down? Market was really choppy pre-market. We have some SMT, but I have no idea where market wants to go. There, I'm more bearish here. So market opens, or did it open? No, it didn't open, but yeah. So then results, what happened? So at session open here, we just sold off, and then we retraced. So what went well? I didn't force a bad setup. We made a move down with no manipulation. Manipulation is essential for my strategy. I don't know, I should have taken a long at the bottom because it probably was crazy in discount, maybe that I could count it as a liquidity sweep even though move down was crazy. So I think at the bottom where we reversed was the 1 hour fair value gap here, this fair value gap, and we probably reacted off that. So I wouldn't call it a missed entry, but yeah, it's a missed entry, more or less. Then because it was great, blah blah blah, yeah, then what can I improve? Look at what went well and missed out. Mark out this high time frame fair value gap. Yeah, so that's actually the fair value gap I meant. So I stopped, I didn't mark it out, I missed it, and that was the trade. I didn't really see manipulation at the bottom, and yeah, I don't know if I should take trades like that because like usually I want to see manipulation to the downside before moving up. But you can call that entire move here, like if we look at the 1 hour, that's consolidation, and we move down and manipulate the entire market to then go up. But yeah, we saw internal manipulation, like here, fake out down. But yeah, I'll need to find out. So that was it for Monday. Now let's go to Tuesday. So on Tuesday, we had no news events. And then let's look at the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we're currently at QE from a 4 hour candle, so that's getting respected. I think we want to break through. I will look for a continuation trade. So what's happening? So respected 4-hour value gap. Still didn't take out that high or that high, and here I can see the context. So my daily 1 hour time frame, what can I see? 1 hour getting respected 2 times, so I probably switch to the 50-minute mark of the value gap there, and then wanting to see a rejection or maybe a follow through there. So 30 minutes, what did I mark out? No, that's the fair value gap I meant, like this one or this one. Probably on 50 minutes even tighter, so yeah. Let's see what happened. So what happened? That's here, we're at the highs. Here we're also at the highs. Yeah, not a lot of context. Can't really tell what happened here. Yeah. Like the switch from the 30 minute to the 1 minute is not that good. I have now 1 hour, 50 minutes and then 1 minute. Or 5 minutes even sometimes, but yeah. But what likely happened is, since I marked out here the 3 lines and here are 3 lines, so we took out this buy side, now this buy side level up here, and then what did we do? Then after taking out this buy side level, we went down and down and down. So possible trade there, but I didn't count it. Results, yeah. What went well? I didn't force. Why do I always yawn when I'm recording a video? What the hell? So I didn't force a bad setup, and what can I improve? I need to start trading what the market gives me, not what I expect it to do. Yeah, as always. So then February 7th, Wednesday, 4 hour. We inverse the 4 hour fair value gap. So I expect us to create new all-time highs probably. Then my daily bias is bullish, and I want to see a retrace and then continuation. Yeah, I would have marked out another fair value gap, probably this one here, like this one, or all of those, because I want to see the one that gets respected. And if we inverse one or the other one or or all 3, then I'm bearish. So yeah. So what happened? Since I can't mark out these fair value gaps again, we probably went down, took out a 50-minute fair value gap or something, and then continued up. So that's a trade I could have taken. We even got internal manipulation, so nice. Really nice setup. No SMT though, but still would be a nice setup. Where to target? I wanted to target OTE, or how is it called? Not OT, like, that's my problem with trading all-time highs. I don't know what to target. But yeah, that's it for the trade. I put my stop to break even, and yeah. Actually, first good trade this week, and I really like it. So what went well? I still feel really insecure while entering. I don't know how to fix that except practice and practice. Yeah, I probably fixed it a little bit, so I feel a lot of more confident with executing my trades now. So February 8th. Trade journal entry. Multi-time frame analysis. So news, first day. Unemployment rate, nothing important. So the 4 hour, same thing again, consolidation, manipulation, and probably now distribution. But we also have another 4 hour for value gap here. I need to see what price action wants to do. 1 hour, we got a change in the state to the downside. Bullish SMT on ES. Again, nothing more. nothing more. Then 30-minute. We inversed the 30-minute fair value gap. That's bullish, so that means we probably want to go higher and not lower. And we also have the bullish SMT in place. So what I would do now, wait for turtle soup. Wait for turtle soup, or just manipulation, or just retrace into an inefficiency. What happened? So we souped that and moved into an inefficiency. Which index was the leading index? It was ES, or on the higher time frame. Yeah, also ES. So I made an entry. Not the best entry, not gonna lie, because really, look at my stop loss. That's not a stop loss that I would want to take. It's massive. It's really massive stop loss. But yeah, I took it anyways. And what did we saw? We made some money, but not a lot. Yeah. Bullish SMT. It's hard to find an entry in such a choppy market. I probably would have been stopped out, but yeah. Still happy that I didn't took a trade here actually, or that I took the trade I took, because it just doesn't look nice to me. So what went well? Weird day, but my analysis was right. Wait. No, this is perfect. So wait. We wanted to go higher, but maybe it's just not that high. I think it's just consolidation, basically. I need to get more confident in my trading strategy. It's bad if I have no confidence in the real markets. I'm having the problem of making too much money sometimes. Yeah, okay, bro, that was only one time. I don't have the problem of making too much money. I also need to start looking at the market more objectively without the bias. Wait, I think I'm actually recording the same video the second time, if I'm not being a retard. January 8th, 15, 19. So wait, I will just continue. February 9th. Friday, last day. So what did we have here? So we had the 4 hour getting respected yesterday, creating new all-time highs. Then the 1 hour opened up a fair value gap. I probably wanted to see that get dipped. My buy is still bullish because we didn't inverse anything. Or did we on the lower time frames? I need to see. 30-minute. Is that an inefficiency? Yes. That's an inefficiency, but react strong out of this turtle soup. I would be kinda guessing now what would happen. Or what. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I recapped here. No, that's fine. I'm doing perfectly. I'm doing perfectly fine. So yeah, bullish SMT, because we didn't took out the low here. We swept it here. Did I find an entry? I found my entry after inversing. So fair value gap getting inversed. Yeah, nice entry. So here, 1 hour change in the state, no. Here, that's not a change in the state. Change in the state for me would be down here. So on the 30-minute choppy, same change in the state down here. We inversed a 30-minute though, or did we? No, we didn't actually, I think. But this one we did inverse, I think this little fair value gap here. Yeah, I kind of mismatch. But after we saw like a strong reaction out of the turtle soup, I was bullish. And then I took the trade. We didn't had internal manipulation, or here we had like fake out and then go lower. I don't know if I took the trade on the leading index. Probably not, because well, like high time frame, this was the leading index, so I should have taken it here. I didn't, but it's okay. So what went well? So the trade worked out perfectly. It hit my TP, and I'm getting confident in my trading. Perfect. What can I improve? So I took the trade on the index with a bullish SMT. But it eventually ended up lagging behind. I asked myself how I can define the index that's leading or will make the bigger move. From my observation of today, it wasn't the index with the bullish SMT, it was the index who was lagging behind. And it was not the index who was lagging behind, it actually was just, this is a, what is this, a 1 minute SMT? Yeah, 1 minute SMT. And that SMT here is like a 30 minutes, so that gives me more confluence or more, tells me more about the market. So actually that was the leading index, and yeah, so I'm proud of the trade, but still some things I can improve. So that was Friday, and now we need to do this weekly recap stuff. Weekly recaps, oh my days. Okay, but I really need to start doing this. So February 2nd, so we'll create a number 6. Number 6 for wait, let's copy this date down here. Now just this one, and which one? 5th till 9th February. And let's open it. So wait, how did I do it? Did I, okay, empty. I did it one time at least. Yeah, here. Okay, didn't do it last time, but now I will do it again. Okay, so now let's open FX replay. So, and we'll hop over journal. How do I open it? Dashboard series, the forever model. Okay, now journal. Let's go. Okay. So total trades taken that week. Okay, we can see it here. So it was the week from February 5th to February 9th. So 1, 2, 3 trades, because it stands like down here. So total trades 3, wins, losses 3 wins, win rate 100% for this week. Risk to reward achieve. What was my best? Oh, what was my best risk to reward? Or did I write it down? I think I wrote that down here. So my best risk to reward for the week was 3.21. 3.21, and P&L over the week. Let's calculate this through. So wait, I'll do it on the computer so you can watch with me. Okay, wait, calculator. So here we have, so we have 1.52, plus 178, or that's within 0.178 plus 1.73, so 3.428 approximately dollars. So what I did well, what did I do well? Nothing. No. I really liked. I really liked how I am starting to analyze the market. I really liked how I'm starting to analyze the market, and yeah, that's probably it. What I did wrong, more mark out your confluences so you can use them. That's probably the biggest mistake, or mark out all of them. Mark out your confluences so you can use them. Yeah. Mental emotional state. So I was feeling pretty good. So 8 emotions during the trades. Did I track those? I think I did. No. Correct daily bias, risk reward, token position. So actually, status, I need position. That, I don't need that anymore. Token, I don't need that actually. Or do I need it? No. I can look it up. And then risk reward I need. And then emotions. So let's add a select called emotions. And let's add first like joy. Probably I felt joy that day. Then on the loss I felt anger. Oh. Joy, anger, and then on that win I probably felt neutral. So that's are the 3 main emotions for now. Oh, I closed everything. So, oh no, my calendar, please don't open up, please don't open up, please don't open up. Let's just make the other ones anger, because I don't really know how I felt. Okay, so, where were we? So here, weekly recap. Emotion during trades, I would say more uncertainty. How do I write that? Probably wrong, but I don't care. Discipline level 6. Biggest mental mistake. What was my biggest mental mistake? I really need to do this recaps immediately after I've done the trade, but if I look at this week, it probably is getting influenced by bias. And external factors, I didn't have any that week. Strategy review, the market maker model. Followed my rules? Hell no. Best setup this week. Did I paste this? I didn't. I just skipped this. So best setup this week. Where is it? Where is it? Best setup this week here. So my favorite setup was, you probably can guess it, was this one. So I just copied this here, copy image, weekly recaps. So that's my setup, my favorite setup. Worst setup, is it the last? Oi. It probably is the last. So let's just copy this. Then did I force any trades? That I didn't do. Market behavior this week, overall bias. Overall bias the last week was bullish. Yes, bullish. As you can see here, that's the daily time frame. So we went up the last 5 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you could call it ranging because it wasn't really moving. Ranging. Oh, not ranging, ranging. Then what trapped most traders? What trapped me? A lot of manipulation. Patience was really important this week. That's probably what caught me the most. What worked best? Understanding market behavior. Yes, that's probably what worked best. One key lesson this week. What is the key lesson? Still patience, I think. Be more patient. So focused on next week. Be more patient. Then track your trades with more context, so you can properly review them. And then what else? Follow your rules. I actually just made the rules, so yeah. So that's it for the week. If you enjoyed it, please let down a comment. Please write down improvements. Like, my brain is focused on trading and not that much social media creation. So it would really help if you as a viewer could help me improve my videos. Just write a comment, or I don't know. So thanks for watching and bye.